Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today I'm going to continue. That is a concept fast RCNN. Object direction is using fast RCNN. Today I'm going to discuss and tell about the ROI, that is region of interest pooling. The previous session I explained about RPN. Let's go with the example. And I'm going to show the practical implementation coding also. Let's have this diagram input image, and here the input image will forward to the pre-trained network called VGG16. So VGG network, and already told in the previous session, that means any CN model can utilize for create the feature map here. What's the role of CNN? Just to do the convolution and create the feature map, and this feature map will forward to the next stage, that is a regional proposal network. If you have any doubt about regional proposal network, please kindly check the playlist for continuations. And here there will be a by default here in region proposal network we have one convolution, that is the filter size is 3 by 3 and 512, and having two things there. It's a two thing. One is called one convolution consists of one multiplies 1, another comma, then 2 multiplies 9, and another convolution area for 1 multiplies 1 comma 4 by 9. This is for classification, this is for regression. And this proposal network providing these are here this 4 multiplies 9 and 2 multiplies 9 represent the anchor boxes. So I already told you remaining. So if the object are represented in the image, that is called a background. If the image there is no object in the image, that is called foreground. And if objects are available, it should be determined by the help of anchor box, marked by anchor box only. So now the input image is conversion done from the VGC with the help of VGC. You know, all of you, VGC also one of the familiar algorithm where the last step is classification and come with the fully connected layer. Here generate the feature map and move to here. And here after that here these are moved to the ROI pooling. What will here in the ROI pooling having two set of inputs. One that is feature map generated from the VGG, and another one region of interest from RPN. This RPN providing another generate the another feature map. So previously told, so these are providing the different sizes of feature map. The role and the main job of ROI pooling is take care of this all feature maps and make it a fixed size one. So if you play ROI pooling, all the feature maps will be come to the fixed size, and this fixed size, that is the output generator, is moved to here the max pooling layer. How will do here the ROI pooling creates the and generates the feature map. All are that are fixed size. The feature maps will be in the fixed size and move to the max pooling layer. Here the window size is 7 multiply 7, 7 by 7, and with the channels of 512 here. So whatever the feature maps are, these all are come to the fixed size. ROI pooling support and generate the fixed size only. And then these all move to the fully connect layer. Again fully move to the connect layer and move to the soft to max convolution, soft to max classifier, and last the regression. So if the image is predicted here, it will mark, and with the help of regression, it will mark it as a anchor boxes. Otherwise not. Let's go for the classifier program for understanding how we can generate the coding for this one. To the other side. So I'm showing the Google app, Google Lab, the Google Colab. So simple, easy. So output of ROI pooling. Just now I told you there will be two things there, and here import the number packages. What are the packages you can import? Then we can write the program called a class ROI pooling convolution layer, and insert the functions. And let's go back to classifier model. Here this is very important because here the base layer is there, that is the output where we are getting with the help of VGN, VGC16, and it consists of parameters like input ROIs, number of ROIs, and number of classes here for assumption only. And input shape we are writing nums comma ROIs comma 7 comma 7 comma 5 to as in the diagram. What is the diagram? And we are going to use out ROI pool for generating the output, where we are having ROI pooling layer convolution, pooling region, and number of ROIs, base layer, comma, input ROIs. Then, as usual, similar to CNN, we have the role of pattern, dense dropout, dense and drop dollar important. We are activating everything here, and at last we are going to generate the dense layer and kernel initializer. We are saying 0 and name dense class, and at last completing out region, where density we are writing 4 multiplies number of classes 1, activation linear, kernel initialization is equal to 0, like that. Because just now told you, if the object found, it go to the started as classifier, then move to the regression. And where there, with the help of anchor boxes, everything defined here, defined and marked here. And come to this ROI, so simple and easy. Here writing the initialization function for what was in the diagram based on that only. Then we are writing the build function, then compute output shape and call function, and we are writing the input shapes equal to k dot shape of image for generating everything. So these are helpful to generate the feature maps and reduce the feature maps and make it a fixed size only. After completing everything, we are getting the proper output here. I hope that you understand this the way how we can generate fixed size feature maps with the help of ROI pooling, and how we can identify the objects with the help of this fast RCNN concept. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.